Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Roy English Talk, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us again. Today, we have a very special topic. It's something that can change the way you study and live.
Yes, it's one of my favorite quotes. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Wow, that's strong. It sounds simple, but it means a lot.
Yes, it's a message about strength, motivation, and discipline, especially for people learning English.
Paul, when you say tired, what kind of tired are we talking about?
Good question. Not body tired, like after running, but brain tired. When you study English, your brain works hard.
Yes, you listen, you read, you write, and sometimes your brain says, enough, no more.
Exactly. You feel sleepy, distracted, or bored. That is tired.
But that is not the time to stop.
No, that's the time to take one more small step.
So, don't stop when you're tired means keep going a little more.
Yes, and stop when you're done means stop when you finish your goal.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Don't stop when you're tired.
Your turn. Good. Now repeat. Stop when you're done. Nice job. Say it again with feeling.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Excellent. Feel that power. Paul, why do we always want to stop when we're tired?
Because our brain loves comfort. The brain says, let's rest. Let's watch TV. Let's check our phone.
Yes, the brain wants easy.
But easy doesn't make us better. Growth is not comfortable.
That's true. Learning English is sometimes difficult.
Yes, but difficulty is a sign of progress. When it's hard, it means you are growing.
Oh, I like that. Hard means growing.
Exactly. So next time your brain says, I'm tired, you can say, yes, I'm tired, but I'm growing.
Repeat after me. I'm tired, but I'm growing.
Again, I'm tired, but I'm learning.
And one more time. Every small step is progress.
Beautiful job, everyone.
Paul, can I tell a short story?
Of course.
This is about Maria from Brazil. Maria started learning English 6 months ago. At first, she was excited. She studied every day.
Nice.
But after 3 weeks, she felt tired. The new words were hard. Grammar was confusing. She wanted to stop.
I think many people feel like Maria.
Yes, but Maria remembered this sentence. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. So she made a plan. Every day, she studied just 15 minutes.
Small steps.
Yes, some days she was tired, but she still studied for 15 minutes. And after 3 months, she could understand English movies with subtitles.
Wow, that's real progress.
Yes, now she feels proud because she didn't stop when she was tired. She stopped when she was done.
Let's share the 3 secrets to finish strong.
Yes.
Secret number 1. Remember your goal. Why are you learning English?
Maybe for travel, for a job, for a better future, or just because you love learning.
When you remember your why, you feel strong again.
Yes, when you feel tired, think about your goal, not your feelings.
Repeat after me. I know why I started.
I will remember my goal.
I study English for my future.
Excellent.
Secret number 2. Make small steps.
Yes, big goals can be scary, but small steps are easy.
Instead of saying, I'll study for 2 hours, say, I'll study for 10 minutes.
Yes, 10 minutes is easy. And sometimes 10 minutes becomes 30 minutes.
Exactly.
And secret number 3, reward yourself.
Yes. After you finish your study, give yourself something small. Listen to music, drink coffee, or just relax.
The reward makes your brain happy. It connects work with positive feelings.
Yes, that's how habits are built.
Paul, I have another story.
Go ahead.
Ahmed from Egypt works full-time. He studies English at night. Every day he is tired. He told me, Emily, I want to stop. I have no energy.
That's difficult.
Yes, but he changed one thing. He said, I will only study 10 minutes. He studied short dialogues while drinking tea.
Ah, nice.
After 1 month, he finished 20 lessons. He said, Emily, I am tired, but I am proud.
Perfect. That's the meaning of today's lesson. When you study English, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to finish what you start.
Yes, perfection is not possible. Progress is.
Exactly. Even one new word a day is progress.
So if you feel slow, don't worry. You are still moving.
You are learning. You are improving.
I am learning every day.
I am getting better.
I don't stop when I'm tired.
I stop when I'm done.
Yes, you sound great.
Emily, sometimes people ask, why should I continue learning English? It's so hard.
Yes, but English opens doors. With English, you can travel, study abroad, talk to new people, watch movies, and understand the world.
Exactly. English gives you more freedom.
So every minute you study is a step toward your dream.
And every time you say, I'll do it later, your dream goes one step away.
So don't wait. Start now.
Even if you're tired.
Even if you're busy.
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Let's take a deep breath together. How do you feel right now?
Maybe a little tired, but maybe also proud.
Yes, because you finished this whole lesson. That means you didn't stop.
You did it. You listened, you practiced, you repeated. That's success.
This is the feeling of done. You are tired, but happy.
Exactly.
Okay, students, here's your challenge for this week.
Finish one small English goal every day.
Maybe learn 5 new words. Maybe write 1 paragraph. Maybe listen to 1 Mr. English episode again.
And when you finish, write in the comments, I didn't stop when I was tired. I stopped when I was done.
Yes, we love reading your comments.
And we are proud of every single one of you.
So remember, being tired is normal. Everyone feels it.
But the difference between success and failure is simple. Successful people keep going when they are tired.
Yes, 1 more page, 1 more word, 1 more minute.
That's how winners are made.
You are strong. You are smart. You can do this.
Yes, and we believe in you.
That's all for today's lesson.
If you liked this episode, please like, share, and subscribe to Mr. English channel.
And remember, my friends,
Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.